Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to install this Hi-Hitch on your lawnmower. So this is, we bought this off Amazon and we're going to install it on our John Deere lawnmower right here. So let's open up the box and see what we need, and then I'll show you guys how to do it. Okay, so when you open up the box, you're going to have 4 brackets and this main bracket. And so two smaller ones and 2 longer ones. And then in the hardware section, you're going to have 6 washers, 3 nuts, 3 bolts, and then these 2 big washers, big bolt and big nut. And the only thing you're going to need for all of this is a 7/16 box wrench, 7/16 socket with ratchet, and then 2 crescent wrenches for the big ones. Now the big ones, I think it's about 1 inch. I don't have 1 inch, so otherwise I just use a socket. So if you have 1 inch socket, I think you'd be fine. So let's go ahead and get started. Also, to note, it doesn't come with a ball hitch. So even though it's pictured on the box that it has a ball, it doesn't come with one. So know that before you buy this. So we're gonna have to get that ball, which is not a big deal. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start off by putting on the bottom. What we're gonna need here is a washer, bolt, washer, nut. This is gonna go on like this. They are nylon locking nuts, so they are going to be tight when you put them on. Can't put them on by hand, so know that. We're going to just snug this up, but we're not going to get it super tight because we want to Alright, so we want it to have a little bit of play in it when we hook up these brackets. So it comes with all 4 of these brackets, but you're only going to need 2. So you're going to want to size it out to what you need. We're going to need the smaller ones on this specific tractor. It's going to go out like that. And like that. Yeah. So we're going to take our long 7/16 bolt, put a washer on it, put it through the bottom hole right here. There's 2 holes, one here and one here. We're going to use the bottom one for this. We're going to grab the other bracket, put that on. We're going to grab a washer and then a bolt, nut. Alright, now we're going to do the same thing here, except for we have going to get a little more snug, and then we're going to put on like so. Yeah, we're going to grab a bolt and a nut And what we're gonna do is we're gonna come up from the bottom here. I'm gonna be in the way, but I'm gonna come up from the bottom like so. We're gonna grab that. I'm gonna put our bracket through here. And then we're gonna put a nut on there so it doesn't fall down in there. So it's pretty tight. So it came in from the side. I just wanted to get it there so I can hold it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna his brackets aren't so great, so you know I have to bend them a little bit or work with them. So just know that. Oh, don't drop. There we go. Washer, nut, and then we're going to try to come in again from the bottom. All right, I'm on there. I'm just gonna hold it up here. All right. All right, so you can see our hitch is installed. Now all we need to do is get a ball or some kind of attachment here, or even down here. So what I like about this hitch is it has an upper one and a lower one, so different size trailers or different needs. So all right, so our ball hitch showed up. We're gonna go ahead and install this, and then we're gonna put it to use and show you guys how it's how we're gonna use it on our property. So put it in here like so. Grab a crescent wrench, adjustable wrench, whatever you want to call them. We grab the lock washer, put it on first. We're going to grab the nut and hand tighten.
I'm gonna grab a second crescent wrench, hold the top down. All right, it's that easy. I'm gonna drive this guy out of here and we're gonna go and give it a test. So our plan is to pull our chicken tractor with this. So I'm gonna come back a little bit farther. Like that. And we're gonna see if this will pull without the wheels on. So it does. I only pulled it a few feet because I've already pulled it today and I don't want to move it again, but it works like this. The only problem is the chickens like to hang out in the back, so kind of have to be careful and make sure you don't run over any chicken feet. But we do have wheels we can throw on as well, and pretty happy though. So we went ahead and put that tow hitch on and it's holding up pretty good. We use the bottom for a regular pin hitch for our trailer or a rake, pull behind rake, whatever. So I definitely recommend buying this. It was a good price. Now I wish that they would have been more, I wish they didn't have a picture of the ball and on the box whenever you buy it, because it's kind of misleading. Other than that, just if you read the instructions or if you read the description, it lets you know a ball doesn't come with it, so you just have to purchase a ball separately. The ball was like $6, so definitely not a bad price. I would say, yeah, worth it. If you guys like these kind of videos, go ahead and hit that like button. If it helps out in any kind of way, leave a comment. If you have any questions, ask them. I will definitely answer them. I really like making these videos. So if you like these kind of videos, go ahead and subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.